So I'm going to sprinkle on top. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple lunch, stir-fry choy sum with prawns. I have 400 grams of choy sum or mustard green, 250 grams of prawns, wash and clean, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have all the ingredients ready. I like to start off with marinating the prawns. After that, we can cut the vegetable. So I'm going to take half of the salt from here to marinate the prawns, and half of the pepper. Just marinate the prawns. Alright, prawns is marinated. Now we can cut the choy sum. For cutting choy sum, I like to separate the stem and the leaf. So we're going to cut the tip off and just cut like that. So for the stem, I'm going to put it one side, and for the leaf, I just cut like that and put it on a separate bowl. Alright, we have two separate bowls. One is the stem and one is the leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Then after that we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Pour in 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. When oil is getting hot, we're going to fry the prawns first. Prawns, they cook very fast, so we just fry until the color turn like orange color on each side. This will take about 30 seconds. See, the other side is already changed color, so I'm going to turn it to another side. When we fry the prawns like this, in the oil we have a nice flavor of the prawns, so that we can use the oil to cook the vegetable. And now the prawns is cooked. I'm going to remove it from the pan. Put it in the bowl first. Alright, I'm going to put it aside. Now in the pan we have this oil and nice prawns flavor here, and I'm putting in the vegetable. Put in the stem first. Give it a stir. For the stem is hard, it takes longer time to cook, so we put it in first. I'm putting in half of the oyster sauce, all of the balance of the salt, all of pepper. Give it a stir. Add in just a little bit of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer in the pot for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, the choy sum stem should be cooked and slightly softer. Like that. Now we're going to add in the leaf part. For the leaf, right, it cooks very fast, so we just give it a couple of turns. I'm going to add in the balance of the oyster sauce. Put in half of the crispy fried garlic. Give it a stir. Once it's cooked, it should reduce the volume by a lot. Like this is okay, so it's just nice and crunchy. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Delicious and very sweet. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning like oyster sauce or pepper, you can do so, but for this it's already enough and it's very tasty. So I'm going to switch off the heat, and now I'm going to add back the prawns. Give it a stir. This kind of stir-fry vegetable is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Now we still have the crispy fried garlic, so I'm going to sprinkle on top. This looks so delicious. Let's eat! Delicious. The prawns is cooked just perfectly. It's tasty, very sweet and very fresh. For the vegetable, it's still very nice and crunchy. It has a very nice fragrance of crispy fried garlic. When have it with rice, it's such a lovely combination. You can have it as a main dish or even a side dish will be good as well. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.